Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, March 21st. Today, we're starting a new series inspired by Brené Brown's book. I thought it was just me, but it isn't. Making the journey from what will people think to I am enough. Personally, I'm very excited about this series because it looks like even though we all want to believe this beautiful and simple notion of I am enough, in reality, not everything simple is easy to implement. And as a people pleaser in recovery myself, I'm sure I speak for most of us here when I say that really living the I am enough concept presents its many struggles and challenges. And so I look forward to following the map that Brené Brown provides in this book we're going to use as our inspiration. And of course, I'll be drawing on the works of other research and meditation teachers, as we always do. I am sure it will be a powerful and profound discovery for all of us. And as always, your participation, your comments, your musings are invaluable and very welcome. We can use our private mindful morning circle group for more in-depth discussion, as we did with the forgiveness series. And of course, you can always share in the comments here or in the direct messages to me. Anyway, without any further ado, let's dive into today's practice. Let me start by reading an excerpt from the introduction Brené Brown wrote for this book. To varying degrees, we all know the struggle to feel comfortable with who we are in a society that puts so much importance on being perfect and fitting in. We also know the painful wave of emotion that washes over us when we feel judged or ridiculed about the way we look, our work, our parenting, how we spend our money, our families, or even the life experiences over which we had no control. And it's not always someone else putting us down or judging us. The most painful shaming experiences are often self-inflicted. The constant struggle to feel accepted and worthy is unrelenting. We put so much of our time and energy into making sure that we meet everyone's expectations and into caring about what other people think of us, that we are often left feeling angry, resentful, and fearful. Sometimes we turn these emotions inward and convince ourselves that we are bad and that maybe we deserve the rejection that we so desperately fear. Other times we lash out. We scream at our partners and our children for no apparent reason. Or we make a cutting comment to a friend or colleague. Either way, in the end, we are left feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, alone. We spend an extraordinary amount of time and energy tackling the surface issues, which rarely results in meaningful, lasting change. When we dig past the surface, though, we find that all of this is really about shame. Shame drives us to hate our bodies, fear rejection, stop taking risks, or hide the experiences and parts of our lives that we fear others might judge. And until we start addressing the role shame plays, we may temporarily fix some of the surface problems, yes, but we cannot silence the old tape in our head that suddenly blares some version of something is fundamentally wrong with me. For example, that imposter or phony feeling at work or school rarely has anything to do with our abilities, but has much more to do with that fearful voice inside of us that scolds and asks, "Who do you think you are?" Shame forces us to put so much value on what other people think that we lose ourselves in the process of trying to meet everyone else's expectations. The bottom line for today's session is just to acknowledge that we all experience shame. It is an absolutely universal emotion. This series will offer information, insight, and specific strategies for understanding shame and building shame resilience. For sure, we can never become completely resistant to shame, but we can develop the resilience we need to recognize shame, move through it constructively, and grow from our experiences. And I would like to start us off today with a circle of loving kindness practice to remind ourselves that we are all in this together. We are all interconnected in this universal and ubiquitous emotion. And together, we can help each other find our way through to the beauty of the simple concept, I am enough. As we have learned over the years of gathering for our mindful mornings, our group is a beautiful example of a sangha, a spiritual community of like-minded people that allows us simply to be here in this moment as we are, being enough, feeling enough, and to send unconditional friendliness to each other. So today, let's do that. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your mind, into your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be natural, nice and soft. Simply notice your body breathing on its own, in and out, in and out. See if you can find a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom in your breathing, allowing all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now begin your loving kindness practice with a gentle reflection on the basic goodness within you and your wish to be happy. Scan your body and notice how that reflection affects your physical state, your breath, your thoughts. Soften from the inside out. You can repeat after me silently or out loud, or simply listen to the words of the loving kindness mantra, taking them in fully. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel loved, cared for, at ease. May I know that I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. Now imagine sitting in the center of a circle surrounded by all the members of our Mindful Morning Sangha, whether they're here with us right now or not. We will send loving kindness to each of our fellow practitioners as you repeat the verse after me. Also allow yourself to receive their kindness and good wishes sent to you. Receive each other's loving kindness with gentle presence. You deserve it. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, at ease. May you know that you are enough. May you touch deep, natural peace. With each phrase, you're offering each other a gift. And also, you are receiving a gift from each other. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, at ease. May you know that you are enough. May you touch deep, natural peace. If your attention wanders away from the circle, away from this practice, or if difficult feelings or memories arise, try to let go of them in the spirit of kindness and simply come back here again and again, as many times as you need. Remember, here there is absolutely no judgment, only compassion. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, at ease. May you know that you are enough. May you touch deep, natural peace. At times you may feel unworthy of receiving all this love. Don't worry. We all have thoughts and feelings of unworthiness sometimes. It's what being human is about. You can even gently say to yourself, how human of me. And breathing gently, accept that these feelings have come up. Remember the beauty of your wish to be happy, and simply come back to the practice again. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, at ease. May you know that you are enough. May you touch deep, natural peace. And now gently let go of your practice, and as always, scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What makes us feel less than, not enough, What makes us constantly think of what other people may think of us is actually shame. Shame is a universal emotion, and we all experience it at times. How does shame affect your life? Of course, if you're inspired to share your musings, your thoughts, your experiences, you're welcome to do it in the comments to this video or in our Mindful Mornings Circle private group, where I will be posting daily journal prompts for a more in-depth reflection, just like we did with the forgiveness series. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.